Hey everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how to install SuperATV's aluminum lower door inserts on this Polaris RZR Turbo. So we're going to jump right in. The first thing that we're going to do is remove the outer door skin from the door frame. We're going to do this by removing the following screws. Here, there, there, and there. So just go ahead, get our T25 out. Just going to remove all these screws. Then we'll remove the door skin. So we got all our hardware removed. Then we'll just grab a hold of this door skin and just pull it right off, and we'll set it aside for just the time being. And we're going to come right here to this groove and notch right here that's closest to the front of the door. We're going to come right here and we're going to take our clip. We're just going to slide it right into place. Just like that. So that the threaded portion is on the back side, facing away from the machine. And the spot where the bolt's going to go through is right here. Then we're going to take our threaded plate and a piece of our 3M two-sided tape. We'll just go ahead and we'll just cut this 3M tape to size and just take a rag and just kind of wipe off this surface back in behind here. So to make sure it's nice and cleaned up, that way our tape sticks to it nicely. Then we're just going to take our little threaded plate and stick our two-sided tape to it. Make sure that our holes line up perfectly. We got our holes nice and lined up there. So now we're going to go ahead and reinstall our door skin. We'll just take our screws that we just removed. Go ahead and get them all reinstalled. And we'll just go ahead and we'll fully tighten our door skin back to our door. And then this is the point to where we're going to grab our door insert. Our door insert's going to sit on the inside. So it'll sit just like this. We're just going to line all our holes up. Just get our center bolt lined up first, and we'll slide it into the clip. And we'll get our outside lined up out here where we put the clip nut and the threaded plate. And we're going to go through and we'll tighten up the hardware here. So once we have our hardware tight, we're going to go ahead and close our door. And then back here, as you can see, there's a little notch. We're going to drill a hole in our factory door large enough for our Allen-headed screw to go through. What I like to do is pick up on it, pull it up as tight as you can, and then just take your drill, just drill a hole right through it, and you can take your bolt, your Allen-headed screw, slide it right into place, and then we'll come in on the back side with our nylock nut, start it on there, and then we'll go ahead and fully tighten that. Got it nice and tight. So now we're going to come back and we're going to double check all of our bolts that we previously installed. Make sure we get everything nice and tight. And we just want to make sure our door closes good. It looks good on there. Everything's lined up. And then there you have it. That's how super quick and easy it is to install SuperATV's aluminum lower doors on this Polaris RZR Turbo. For more information on these doors or any of SuperATV's great products, feel free to give us a call at 855-743-3427 or check us out online at superatv.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.